Hi everybody, it's 11:10 and 32 seconds on January 16th. This is the mini number 1 for the House of Secrets 92 and the Strange Tales number 1. Over here are the 30 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place in this mini will get the first 9 available spots open in the main. Whoever comes in second place in this mini will get the next 4 open spots, and whoever comes in third place will get the next 2 open spots. All the spots will be filled in order of availability. Okay? So, let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. And let's begin. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one. 9. Ken Sexton gets 9 spots, John Garner gets the next 4, and Mike Fazzini gets the next 2. Time is 11:11. Apology. Can't tell you the exact time until this thing closes out. Okay, so it's 11:11.